If you want to get more done using Notion, these 7 productivity tips will help you turn your workspace into a smooth, organized, and powerful system. Notion can do so much, but with the right habits and setup, it becomes more than just a notes app. It becomes the engine of your daily workflow. The first tip is to keep your workspace simple. Notion gives you endless customization, but simplicity makes it easier to stick to your system. Use clean dashboards, minimal layouts, and only the widgets or databases you actually need. A simple setup is easier to maintain and helps you stay focused. The second tip is to use templates. Whether you're planning content, tracking habits, or managing your week, templates save time and keep your processes consistent. You can use Notion's built-in templates or create your own reusable ones. Next, take advantage of linked databases. Instead of creating multiple versions of the same information, link one database across different pages. This keeps everything synced and reduces duplicate work. For example, your tasks can appear on your weekly planner, your project page, and your calendar, without extra typing. The fourth tip is to use filters and views. Notion lets you look at the same information in different ways, like a calendar view, board view, table, or list. You can filter tasks by status, priority, or deadline so you only see what matters right now. Fifth, make use of Notion's keyboard shortcuts. Simple actions like typing, to add blocks, or using shortcuts to create headings, checkboxes, and toggles will make your workflow faster and smoother. Sixth, use Notion on both your phone and your desktop. This helps you capture ideas quickly on the go and stay updated no matter where you are. And finally, the seventh tip: review your workspace weekly. Spend a few minutes cleaning up old tasks, reorganizing pages, and checking your goals. A quick weekly review keeps your system fresh and prevents clutter from building up. With these 7 productivity tips, Notion becomes easier to use, faster to navigate, and more powerful for managing your life. If these tips help you level up your Notion workflow, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Notion and productivity tutorials.